Hello friend. Today I am discuss about Wastegate Turbocharger, how it works, construction and features. Friend, nowadays vehicle with turbocharged engine features the Wastegate Turbocharger. This technology help to deliver optimum engine performance during peak operation conditions. In addition, the wastegate valve prevents the turbocharger from overrunning. Particularly, it also avoids the engine from overboost and prevents any mechanical failure. This feature in the turbocharger consists of a bypass valve. It circumvents some part of the exhaust gas going to the turbine and release them into the outlet. Furthermore, the wastegate turbocharger has a bypass valve built into the turbine housing. It diverts some of the exhaust gases away from the turbine wheel through this valve. Wastegate turbocharger construction. The internal construction of the turbine consists of the wastegate valve and hollow passage within the turbocharger. So it allows some of the boost pressure to enter into this passage. Then the exhaust system automatically routes the bypassed exhaust gases to the catalytic converter and tailpipes. In this system, the speed of the turbine will determine the diversion of the exhaust gases. Besides, the wastegate unit reduces the high boost pressure developed by the compressor to the desired level. Thus, it delivers optimum engine performance with controlled peak cylinder pressure. How does wastegate turbocharger work? Furthermore, the wastegate regulates the pressure of the relief valve. It in turn limits the boost pressure in the turbocharger system. This is helpful in preventing the engine from potential mechanical damages caused by the high pressure. Furthermore, the system automatically opens the wastegate valve when the pressure reaches the preset levels. Then it allows all the high pressure exhaust gases to escape the turbine wheel and enter into the downstream outlet. Thus, it prevents the exhaust gas pressure from rising more than required. Moreover, with petrol engines, the wastegate turbocharger are typically used in the racing cars to limit the amount of boost pressure. Additionally, the race car drivers can sense the change in pressure through a tube inserted the helmets. The wastegate turbocharger has four main types, which depend upon how the wastegate valve operation act. Number 1, manual. Number 2, pneumatic. Number 3, electric. Number 4, hydraulic. Advantage of wastegate turbocharger. Besides, the wastegate system has many advantages, which include the following. Number 1, needs a smaller space to fit. Number 2, reduce turbo lag to some extent. Number 3, installation of compact and simple external exhaust pipe system, thus reducing the engine weight. Number 4, delivers optimum engine performance at all time. Number 5, avoid mechanical damages to engine parts. Friends, if you have any question related wastegate valve used in engine, then ask me in my comment box. I will tell you proper answer. Friends, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel, like and share and comment. Thank you, friend.